Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new chapter in our subject of English, the topic number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. Let's move on ahead with this topic. The topic is actually a conversation, that means a talk between two or more people. When they talk, that is called as a conversation. And when you put it up in a piece of paper for someone to read and to understand what two people are exactly talking about, so that is called a conversation. So let us move ahead and look into this topic of Tenali Raman draws a picture. Here you see a picture where a king is sitting and giving an order to a person to go and call Mr. Raman so that he can meet him. Here this is a person called messenger. He goes to Mr. Raman and asks him or tells him or informs him that the king wants to meet him. So look into this balloon bubble where the words are written what the messenger wants to say. Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you. That means the king wants to meet you. So this is a message come from king to meet Mr. Raman. Listening to this sentence or these words, Mr. Raman replied, stating that, "Shh, don't disturb me. I am currently busy." That means Raman was busy doing some work and he told him not to disturb him because he's busy with some work. Tell king that I will come as soon as I finish my work. Listening to this message, the messenger went back to the kingdom and informed the king that Raman is busy with some work and he cannot come at the moment to meet the king. Listening to this, the king reached to Raman and asked him, "Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing here? This was the message what I wanted to do. But then you seem that you were busy with some work. I had to come by myself and meet you." Listening to this, Raman said, "Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture." That means king, I was drawing a picture to give him some respect as he was at the great position being a king. He gave him some respect with calling him Your Majesty. I am drawing a picture. Listening to this, king said, "I see, we would like to see that picture." Raman agreed and he showed him the picture. "Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture." And here the board was displayed in front of the king. Looking at the board, there was nothing in the board, the drawing board. It was totally empty. King was surprised to see that and he questioned up with some questions up with Raman, like, "Where is the picture? You call this is a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain me because I can't see any picture in this." Looking at this, Raman said, "I was drawing a cow eating lots of grass. This is the picture I wanted to draw and I was drawing it, king. Your Majesty, I was drawing all these things, but meanwhile you came and wanted to meet me so." So the king said, "Okay, I understand that, but can you show me where are the grass? Because you said it's loads of grass and I haven't seen any grass here on the drawing board." Then Raman replied, "That is because the cow ate up all the grass which was being drawn on the drawing board." Listening to this, king was again surprised. Okay, I am agreeing to that point that grass was eaten by the cow. So now tell me where is the cow now, because I can't see any cow as well on the drawing board." Listening to this, Raman said, "After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. It is very obvious that after eating all the grass, the cow will not definitely stand there." That is what Raman wanted to say. And he walked away from the place. So how could you see a cow or a grass on the drawing book when there are none? There was a grass on the drawing book board and the cow ate it up all. Now after eating up the grass, cow felt it's all done and he walked away from there. This is what he wanted to say. Who wanted to say? Raman. So this is what he told. Listening to all these things, king started laughing aloud and he later on said, "Oh Raman, you always make me laugh with all your silly jokes." And this way the conversation ended between Raman and king. A short conversation with a simple and sweet joke. I hope you like this chapter and we will look forward to go ahead with it.